Live Good is a promising business opportunity for individuals who are passionate about health and wellness. The company offers a wide range of products and services that promote healthy living, including nutritional supplements. One of the key advantages of the Live Good business opportunity is the growing demand for health and wellness products. As people become more health conscious and aware of the benefits of living a healthy lifestyle, the demand for products and services that support this lifestyle is expected to continue to grow. Live Good offers a unique business model that allows individuals to start their own business by becoming a distributor of the company's products. This model provides individuals with the flexibility to work on their own schedule and be their own boss, while also providing them with the training and support they need to succeed. Another advantage of the Live Good business opportunity is the company's focus on high-quality products. Live Good is committed to using only the best ingredients and manufacturing processes to ensure that their products are effective and safe for consumers. This commitment to quality helps to build trust and loyalty among customers, which can lead to repeat business and referrals. In addition to the products and services offered by Live Good, the company also provides a variety of resources and tools to help distributors build their business. This includes marketing materials, training programs, and access to a network of other distributors who can provide support and guidance. To get started with the Live Good business opportunity, individuals can sign up as a distributor and affiliate. Overall, the Live Good business opportunity offers a unique and promising way for individuals to start their own business and make a positive impact on the health and wellness of others. With a growing market demand for health and wellness products, high-quality products and services, and a supportive network of fellow distributors, Live Good is a compelling opportunity for those looking to pursue a career in the health and wellness industry. Click link in description of this video to join now.